I'm Linda Funk from the Soy Foods Council, and today we're going to make stuffed green peppers in the Instapot. You know, the Instapot, that pressurized cooking, is such a rage these days that I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make this happen. So this again is a concept of meat and soy working really well together. This happens to be ground beef, and it's raw, it's not cooked yet, along with some onion, some cooked brown rice, oregano, salt, and pepper, and some rehydrated TVP or TSP. So it's the same thing, textured soy protein or textured vegetable soy protein. So then all you do is you put the TVP or TSP, textured soy protein or textured vegetable protein, one and the same, it's the same product, and guess what? It's 100% soy protein. So you put it in a measuring cup, about half a cup or so, and you put in water just to cover it, and hot water works faster, if you will, and let it rehydrate. So it takes on the water and it becomes crumbles. So then from there we're going to add those crumbles, the soy crumbles, into the mixture, mix it all in. And what's so great about this is once you get it all mixed and once it's cooked, you won't be able to tell that there's any soy in here at all. So then take your spoon and you fill the peppers. I picked ones that sit perfectly so that indeed once you put it in the Instapot, it's going to sit nice and straight for you. And again, you know, it's so versatile. Truly, if you have your favorite green pepper, stuffed green pepper recipe, go ahead and use it. And just add that TVP or TSP to it to add that really heart-healthy soy protein. It's so lean, and it has so many health benefits that you'll really want to start making the decision to start adding it to lots of dishes. Now this looks like we could have even had a fifth pepper, but let's just go with a 4. What's really important with an Instapot or pressurized cooker is you need to make sure you have liquid in the bottom because it's the pressure and the moisture that's cooking. So this was left over from the can of tomatoes that we used partially in the recipe. We put them in the bottom of the pressurized cooker and we nestle in the green peppers. Then what you're going to do, you put on your cover, make sure it locks, and then make sure the nozzle goes towards the ceiling. You want it sealed. If it's not sealed, it will not come up to pressure. Okay, so you plug it in, and then what you want to do is hit the manual button, and you need it to be under pressure for 8 minutes. It says 30 right now, so we're going to toggle down to 8 minutes. And that's it. Now, what we do is then it comes up to pressure. It takes about 5 minutes, so don't get nervous. A lot of people get nervous. It's telling me right now, yes, I'm on, and yes, I've registered 8 minutes, and I'm now coming up to pressure. So then we wait until it comes up to pressure, and once it does, it starts counting backwards. So now it's at 6. It had been at 8, but now it's counting backwards. When it gets down to 0, when it's done, it will then, believe it or not, start counting back up the other way. So you know if it says a natural release of 5 minutes, you then let it to come back up to 5, and then the pressure should be ready to go. You cannot take off the cover unless the pressure has released. So you never have to worry about it, you know, doing something crazy, blowing up, any of that kind of stuff, because this is so smart that it lets you know what it's doing. So the pressure cooker came up to 8 minutes, and then it counted down. Now it says low, so it's starting to dissipate the pressure, and we're at 2. We're going to let it get to 3, And let's see if we can manually release it. If not, we'll do it by an instant release. Okay, so now it's counted up to 3. And as you can see, the pressure hasn't dissipated. So we'll manually release it. You need a towel and you need something sharp to then cover up the toggle and release the heat. The steam comes out, and why you do this is so that you're not going to burn yourself as you're releasing that steam. So now the steam has totally dissipated. Can't hear any more coming out. We know that the steam has been released. So lo and behold, we can take off the cover. If the steam and the pressure hasn't been released yet, there is no way that it'll let you open the cover. So it's really a fail-safe situation, very, very safe. Now what we want to do, take these beautiful peppers out. We'll just take 2 out for right now. And then let's take some of that tomato juice and tomatoes. Have it be really nice and juicy. And that's it. It's so much fun getting to know how to use your Instapot, and certainly with soy and meat, it's even better. So play around with it a little bit, don't be nervous, give it a whirl, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can cook just a plethora of different foods in the Instapot. Have fun and enjoy soy.